Hello, welcome back to another video. I'm so excited to be back and I'm so excited to do this look for you. This is a gorgeous, glam, sparkly, pink Valentine's Day look. So if you want to see how I did it, just continue watching. Okay, so I'm going to be starting off with the Urban Decay Naked Cherry Palette. This is the first time I'm looking at this palette. I'm so excited. I actually just recently purchased this. And what better time to use it than for Valentine's Day? So let's take a look. This palette is actually so gorgeous. Look how pretty this is. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm actually going to start with the first color right at the end there called Hot Spot. And I'm actually just going to use my finger for this one and just put it all over my eyelid. Oh, wow. That was a lot. Just to give it that all nice one-tone base coat. Okay, and the next thing I'm actually going to go into my Anastasia Nervina, I think that's how I say it, palette. And I'm going to be taking Love. Okay, and then next I'm going to go into Young Love back into the Naked Cherry palette. So then next I'm going to go in with Bang Bang, but I'm going to spray my brush with some spreading, like what is that? With some setting spray, just so that I get the sparkles and all that good stuff, just to really stick. Okay, then next I'm going to go into my Naked One palette. And I actually just found out that they discontinued this palette, which I love so much, but they made a new one called Naked Reloaded. I'm not too sure if some of the colors are the same or not, but this one I've hit pan on a lot of the shades. So hopefully these shades are the new one, because I was thinking of getting a new Naked palette just so that I would have those shades. But I guess they can't do that anymore because it is discontinued. Sad. Next I'm going to go into Half Baked, and I'm just going to take that on my finger just so I can get some gold onto my eyes. And then I'm just going to take Young Love again and put that on my lower lash line. So then I'm just going to go in with Hot Spot and just clean up around my eyebrows. Okay, so you could be done now and put some mascara on, draw a wing, put some eyeliner, whatever you want to do, and finish it. Or if you want to glam up the look a little bit, you can use some liquid eyeshadows and just add sparkles onto your eyes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna mix. I'm gonna put on my finger Golden Goddess from Stella, and then I'm gonna also put on my finger Kitten Karma, which is kind of a rosy gold look, but I want more gold, so I'm gonna just mix them together. And then I'm just gonna dab them on my eye with my finger. So if you do what I did and accidentally went too high, just take a clean brush and you can literally just brush it off, which is so nice. So then if you want to get under your tear duct here, just use a really thin, small brush. I'm using the Morphe M124, and I'm just gonna... Okay, so then again, if you want to be finished and just put some mascara on, you're good to go, you're done. Or if you want, you can put some eyeliner. That's what I'm gonna do. Then I popped on a wing eyeliner, and just to finish off the look, I'm gonna throw on some mascara. So I went ahead and threw on my Bad Gal Bang mascara by Benefit, and that's basically the end of this video. I'm so sad to be leaving you so early, but don't worry, I will be back. Don't forget to leave comments down below letting me know what you thought of this video and how you like this gorgeous Valentine's Day look. If you're watching this video not on Valentine's Day, still let me know what you thought of this look because it's good for any day. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more videos to come. Until next time, happy Valentine's Day and goodbye, my lovelies. I hope you loved this glam